Can I have a go? Can I have a go? Chester, Chester, where you going? I want to have a go. Hi everyone. Got a bit of a different wander for you today. We're not actually wandering. We are here at the Flossy Hut, which is in between Shaftesbury and Warminster, and we are here for our anniversary. We fancied some time out in the country, a lot of stress at work and such, and we came across this place randomly. It is absolutely adorable. Let me show you around. Chester's gonna help. Plenty of parking, but this is only really the size for 2 people and a dog, maybe 2 dogs at a push. There's a lake there with a kayak and a fake heron. I don't think there's any fish in there, but if you fancy a paddle on a hot day, this looks perfect. I can imagine dogs would love it in there as well. As you can see, there's a fence that runs around the little garden they have here, which is perfect for dogs. We can let Chester off and he can have some time in the sun without his little collar and harness on. There's a little fire pit and a barbecue. Also some cushions if you want to sit out in the sun, or if it's raining, they've got this little area. Oh, frisbee time! Woo, Chester! Oh, that's fun. You gotta learn to pick it up. You got it. Good boy. Can I have a go? Can I have a go? Chester, Chester, where you going? I want to have a go. Hi, Egg. We were attacked by a vacuum cleaner earlier, but I put it to sleep and stuck it underneath there because it kept trying to escape. A very tiny TV. It does have a DVD player in there, and we discovered all these oldies in here. I'll show you. We've got one of the Lord of the Rings, Devon Slabs, if you're in a cheerful mood. Oh, lots of cheerful movies by the looks of it. Yeah.
Oh dear.
The others. Oh, got Aladdin. Oh, it's a real mixture. So, I mean, that's good. Oh, Moulin Rouge. Again, another cheerful one. I think they got some reading material in there as well. And Jenga, if you fancy it. What's that one? Oh, classic. Oh, they got some playing cards. Nice. And then you got your little table, just 2 chairs. So definitely made for 2 people this. Cleaning area. Everything you need really. Bit of coffee in there, sugar. Got an air fryer. Oh yeah, they've got a few more of these down here. I was wondering what they were. It's for the air fryer to keep it nice and tidy. Oops, I'm turning it on. I'm gonna sneeze in a sec. Oh gosh. Nice Russell Hobbs and a little cooker here. We've got an AC to cool the place down. It's got a radiator. I think there's somewhere in here there's a little fan. We had 2 separate beds into the bathroom. I really like this bathroom actually. Let me show you. Barn door style. And also, if you're having a poop, you've got a nice view of this oak tree. Can't complain about that. There you go, it's pretty big, isn't it?
It's really big, it's really nice.
Yeah, I love the decor as well. Like the colours are so nice. And also you can see out there, we'll show you later when it gets darker, but they've got some fairy lights that you can switch on. We'll see what it looks like if it produces any bright lights so you can sit outside all evening, but yeah. The Flossy Hut, everyone. I just realised there's a wooden ball head over there.
Hello puppy, what are you doing? As you can see, it's actually just a massive trailer. They've just hooked power and water up to it and away you go. They've actually got another one over there too. I don't think anyone's there, so the whole place is ours. Only thing I would say is that it does smell a little bit of sewage, which isn't very nice. If it's not sewage, it's very stagnant, watery. What are you doing, puppy? Chester, what are you doing? Get him. This is exciting. This is exciting. Come on. Do you play your frisbee? Come on. Where's your frisbee? Good boy. Ready? Oh. Leave. Good boy. Did you steal the GoPro? Sorry, you got stolen for a second. Wait, pop up. It's your toy. Ready? Come on, pop up. Wanna come up? Good boy, puppy.
Good boy, Kristen. Here you go.
It's one thing you gotta look out for. Rogue light bulbs.
Where was that?
Just on the grass.
Wait, it just fell out?
Dunno.
Is there a missing?
No, I couldn't see one. But...
I guess it was a replacement.
yeah.
Just chuck it in the bin.
Oh, I did a good job.
This is one of rogue light bulbs. If you want ideas for eco-friendly enrichment toys for dogs, this is what we do for Chester. We literally save up these toilet paper rolls and then just fold up the edges and stick a couple of these sort of chicken strips but torn apart and then fold them both ends. And then we've also got newspaper which we roll treats in, so we've got a couple of those. And then we've bought Chester's snuffle mat as well. The thing is with terriers, they really enjoy their scent work and also tearing things apart. This sort of stuff works perfectly, but it does leave a mess afterwards. This is where we kind of go eco-friendly, stuff that can decompose. Let's give a couple to Chester now because the little lad is all fidgety. You want to do some games? Shall we do some games, yeah? What have we got here, Chester? Oh, what's this? You want that? Oh yeah, you're begging. Come on then, let's go do this. You know what this is, don't you? Come on, buddy. He's off. I'll hide one down there. And go do his snuffle mat as well. Oh, what's in there? I think it's sentient. It's like a Pokemon. Try and catch it. Oh, it hatched. This is the next evolution.
Hello.
Go back to how you were.
Let's go have a look at this kayak. Oh, they've actually supplied a pedal. Ooh. No, won't get a wet bum. Let's go for a kayak.
Just seeing if he wants to swim or not. Oh, he might. You're not sure, are you, buddy? Oh, he's growling at the fish. What is it? This is going to be when the tentacles rise up and grab him. And I'm going to have to do a heroic rescue. Don't get captured by tentacles, Chester. Good boy. He's going to try the kayak.
Surprisingly heavy.
Yeah, don't knock the dog out. What's Daddy doing? Is this new? Isn't it?
What is it?
Is that a big stick?
He's so pretty.
I wonder if he'll swim with you going out there.
Have a look.
go. Daddy's off. Oh, he's going quite fast. And the tentacles are probably going to grab him instead. You're safe for now, Chester. Daddy's sacrificing himself. Ugh. Doesn't take long to reach the other side. Chester's eating all of the plants. Oh, Chester, you eating all of the flies as well. Hello, Bobby. Oh, Chester, what's Daddy doing? He pushing Daddy back out. I think he wants to get up. He's just sniffing the kayak.
Yeah, those are really fun. You should try them. You should try it, Egg. Get your shorts all wet like me.
Yeah, I think I'll leave it for now. I might have a coffee instead.
Hoy just pointed out it's a little smiley face there. It's a happy little place.
Dinner is served. Need to add the rice. Chicken Penang curry. Chicken green Thai curry. Oriental starter selection.
And of course Sainsbury's brown rice.
Oh, only the best quality of brown rice. We usually cook our own, but we couldn't be bothered. Yeah.
Being lazy.
We're allowed to be lazy.
There is something here. It says the best beer is an open beer. I wonder what we could do.
We've only got closed beers at the moment, and they're not the best. We could make it better.
You do it.
you give some help there.
All the
You
chopping
got it?
boards are in the way.
Yeah? Is that the problem, the chopping board?
Yeah, the chopping board's still in the way.
Oh, okay then. You getting it? Almost. You're so close. There we go.
Perfect.
Yeah. First try. There you go. That's how you make a beer better. I just want to add, we went 3 weeks without alcohol. The only reason we're allowing ourselves to have it now is because it's our anniversary.
The last time we had them was those Aldi IPAs.
Aldi branded Brewdog.
Which is weird.
And they were disgusting.
Yeah, that was
I
nice.
regret that those were the last ones we had. Ding.
I don't know. What's wrong, buddy? We've got one very tired little puppy. We finished dinner about an hour ago, which is, it was okay. I think we're getting a bit too used to our batch cook, whole food delicacies. It was fine. I think I just like home cooked meals from now on. It did the trick. We can't complain.
Is that Daddy?
You silly puppy.
Did Daddy scare you?
What are you doing?
He's so spooked now.
Are you all spookied? Are you spookied? Ah, you're all wet.
Yep.
Chester, where's your ball? Come on. Where's your ball? Ooh. Chester, your toy's boring. Frisbees are where it's at. Ready? Ready? You keep trying to go out there, don't you? Good boy. Oh, it's squelchy there. Nasty. Hopefully that's not the sewage. I love it here. It's absolutely magical. Right, we're going to light the fire. But we will need to make sure he doesn't get close to it because he hasn't had any experience with fire before. We're going to be safe. You can't play around fire, puppy.
We've also got a special message to Shane's mum, whose birthday is today. So happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Have a chip.
We've got some crisps here. We're in England.
Enjoy your chip, Mum.
We hope you have a wonderful day. Wish we were there, or wish you were here. Either way, wish we were together celebrating.
Yeah, maybe this time next year.
Fingers crossed. Keep saving those pennies.
Well, we couldn't quite keep the fire going. We didn't actually try too hard, but never mind. Need to practice that.
What's starting fires?
Yeah, that's not good when you say it out loud. Chester rates the Flossy Hut 5 out of 5 paws, and he's licking the microphone. He was feeling a little poorly during our stay there, but the fresh livestock poop air was just what the doctor ordered, wasn't it, puppy? Stop licking the microphone. He also really enjoyed having so much room to sploot and zoom around in. He wants to come back to stay again very soon, as do we. Just that. Well, it turned out to be such a nice evening. We just spent the last couple of hours just playing games on our iPad, which I think we both really needed, to be honest. Just sitting there wasting time, enjoying the sunset. It's actually gotten really cold as well, which is surprising how warm it's been the last couple of days. Not complaining because we've been concerned about how hot Puppy might be on this trip. He should be fine tonight. Hopefully have a really good night's sleep. He's actually been exhausted, which is, again, really good, considering he's been quite sick the last couple of days. The sun's just set, it's about 10 o'clock at night, so we'll say goodnight for tonight, and we will see you tomorrow, where we're going to take you on a very special wander. We won't say where yet. It's going to be great. You'll love it. We'll see you tomorrow.